Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Scotland Card Show. I brought my Gen 1 binder, so we're gonna see what Gen 1 Pokemon we can get for £30 inside Scotland Card Show. I haven't actually gone in the hall yet, so yeah, let's go in, let's see what's up in there. So I've already filled quite a few slots in this binder. All the videos are on my Instagram. I will go through it at some point in the day, but I'm just going to try and fill a few slots, probably of the cheaper Pokemon. So there is like obviously Mew, Mewtwo. I think I have the Charizard slot filled, you know? Maybe I don't.
You do, yeah.
I'm not sure. But I think I might have to miss those ones out just because obviously I want to keep it quite in budget and I want to try and get as many as possible that are also quite like cool cards. So I don't think Mew, Mewtwo, so probably more of the unknown Pokemon, like Fearow. I'm gonna go find a Fearow card. Right, we're gonna scout out the area. I need to identify which stalls are like nice and which stalls are maybe a bit overpriced. We'll go with that. We'll go with that word for now. To find a green flag store when I have a feeling there might be a few red flag stores, which obviously, if you're a Pokemon fan, you'll know we want to avoid that. So,
yeah.
Guys, the One Piece live action has actually come out with some cursed merch. Like, I'm sorry. Like, oh no. I'm in the queue to get a signed print from Emily Bauer, who is the voice actor of Dawn and Piplup. It's so warm in here though, like this happened last year. I wore way too many clothes. I'm not a card show pro. I need to get better at this. Guys, I got it. She was so sweet. Look. It's like all the Dawns. How cool is that? That's awesome.
Yeah, that is cool.
I'm gonna put this on my wall when I get home. I probably should have said at the start of this video, it's my birthday today. Yeah, so drop a like and subscribe. That's what I want for my birthday present. I want you to subscribe and like this video. Look at the Bulbasaur. He's so cute. He's making a love heart.
Those ones are sick.
Yeah, they're so cool. We have managed to reach binder number 1. Okay, if you see any Gen 1 Pokemon, let me know. Let me know. There's also, oh, that's not in our budget. Maybe. Yeah, it's only £4 this one, the Spearow. And I need Spearow. Here.
You do need Spearow.
Yeah, so we could get that one.
Yeah.
Okay, it's like a heat wave in here. We acquired card number 1. I got this Spearow in Japanese for £4. So we are now down to £26 of our budget. And I'm now going to add it into my Gen 1 binder. Put the Spearow in. Hold on. And Spearow has been added. It's quite hard to get my binder in and out of my bag right now. Like whilst we're browsing the cards, but I know in my head from that page that I still need Fearow, I still need Arbok and Ekans. I'm trying to remember who else I need. I think Nidoking was empty, but I definitely have the card I saw at home, so I'm like, I would buy a different Nidoking card, but I don't want to buy the one I already have. I just haven't slotted it in. We have eyed out another binder. We are just standing behind a few people who also want to have a look at it. Everything's kind of like queuing systems here just because it's quite small. Okay. Oh, I didn't know I still needed Ninetales because Ninetales has good old cards, like vintage cards.
So does Diglett.
Oh, I do need Venonat. I see a Venonat card over there. So maybe we could get a Venonat card if it's like more vintage. Persian's the one you were talking about, but it was a modern card you pointed at.
Yeah,
when I'd rather an older card as well. I think maybe both have amazing vintage cards.
Yeah. We need a lot.
Oh, yeah, I know, but that's what I'm saying. How many can I get with 30 quid? So we spent 4, but usually if you find a vendor who has like vintage cards, but they're kind of like not in the best condition,
True.
You can get them a bit cheaper. Right, let's see. Venonat here. So now I've just got to find it in this big folder. Ooh, we're in the business. We're in business. Don't think I want any of those ones, but there's the Venonat. It's super cute. What do you think? £4. We'll get the Ekans. We'll do Ekans.
Like all that's very cheap as well. It's only £2. £2 gold back.
True, true. Do I have gold bat though?
No.
Oh,
I
okay.
checked already.
No gold bat. Okay. Just these two. Thank you.
Very much. Cheers, mate.
2 more acquired. I think now we are at £21 left, which is quite a lot. So we've spent £9 and we have 3 cards and we've filled 3 slots in the Gen 1 binder. We're 23 to fill. This card sleeve though is so dirty. Like, I need to change these when I get home. Like, maybe they need to check out their card sleeves. So this one's like super, I mean, I don't know if you can see on camera, but like this dusty card sleeve is so dusty. 42 complete. I will change these card sleeves, by the way. They're so dirty and they have the price tags on them. I suppose that's good for reference at the end of the video, but
It is. We're cooking.
they're really dusty card sleeves. We are just back to wandering about again. I don't know what to look for. Still vintage, I think, because I think I have a lot of the modern cards that if I wanted to put them in the Gen 1 binder, I could. But I kind of want the Gen 1 binder to be, you know, Gen 1. I'm looking at Horror Mask right now and I'm really unhappy about it. I'm unhappy. Yeah. Okay, we're going towards the stall that my friend's working at. Let's say hi. Hi.
This is late.
Okay. Yeah, it's in my hand. All right, we have £19 left, I think. Budget left, 21.
I think there's still 21, yeah, 20.
Oh, yeah. That's so funny.
That's really cool.
That's funny. I think we should get that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get that one. Yeah. Do you know what I would?
Yeah?
Yeah, but
That one's
'Cause I-
very good as well.
it's different language. Oh, but they have the Clefable here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but it's got a big crease down there. You see?
Yeah. Keep getting them.
I mean, it's only £6, but
Yeah.
it does have a big crease down it.
I mean, that doesn't matter to us. We're just trying to collect.
It's got a swirl, a cute swirl.
Yeah.
Should we get that one?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Okay.
£6.
So we're £7.
Absolutely. Pretty cute to have that one and that one, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Because then you fill both slots. But should I
Yeah.
get the Japanese or the English?
I mean, this one's in
Base
English.
set too?
So.
Oh,
Let's
so they're
just
from
get
the same
English.
set. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I just get you to stack the cards so you're just
Aye,
sitting
aye.
on his table almost?
Thank you so much. Okay, let's move. So we had £21 left, and I just spent £15, and I'm terribly bad at maths. £6.
£6, yeah.
We have £6 left to spend, and then to be honest, it's my birthday. I want to go and have some nice lunch, so I don't know how much longer I'm going to last in here. I'm getting a lot warm and flustered, and
It's hardcore.
like I don't like shoving into like people and stuff. So just to recap, we got the Clefairy, and then we also got the Clefable that's from the same set. It does have a big crease down it, but it was only £6, so I feel like it's like reasonable.
Yeah.
And then we also got this Venonat, which is so cute, and I really wanted a cute Venonat, so I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's put them in the Gen 1 binder. I wonder what I'll get with £6. Maybe I should just buy one card. Like I should find this £6 card.
I saw some shinies in that binder over there, and that could be cool if we can get one. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I actually had some comments from people on the Instagram, and they were really angry that I'd hand drawn my things. They were like, why didn't you print them out? And I was like, unnecessary paper, unnecessary ink.
Agreed.
She's an ethical diva. So yeah, I don't need to print them out. Because they just, once you put the card in, you just bin it. So
Yeah.
this is all, actually, the Vault X binder, the cardboard it came with, I cut it up and I used the cardboard from the binder. Okay, Clefairy and Clefable. So I'm putting in the Clefairy, cute! Which was £10, but I think she's in pretty good condition. I don't really know, I didn't price check because I'm here to have fun.
I agree.
And Clefable! Oh, they look cute together.
They do.
Cute. Okay, we have £6 left of our budget. Let's see what we can find And then I'm gonna go and have my birthday lunch because I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. Insert Luffy smacking his belly emoji. I am going to publicly thank Aaron for holding my bags because I could not hold my bags in here. It's too much. It's too much. Look at this diva. Look. Thank you, diva. Oh, also my Lego birthday presents. Diva. Thanks. I appreciate you. You make my life much easier. Okay, I can see an artware binder and I can see a shiny Pokemon binder, so I feel like £6 might be around that kind of budget. Do you know what? I see actually quite a lot of full arts, and I feel like full arts get like abandoned when they're really cool cards and they're super cheap. Like they're usually like a few pounds, even though they're like secret rares. Looking at these cards here. I think I'm gonna get the Dark Flareon, but yes, it is out of budget, but Aaron has said he will put £1 towards it. So technically I'm still in budget.
You are technically in budget.
I'm still in budget, so I think we should get him. Which one's better? Which one's better?
I like the one on the right.
This one?
Yeah.
Really? I was thinking the one on the left.
Well, I like the one on the left.
Switching up, switching sides. It's like, wait, maybe I do. Right, I've got our £6 from our budget for this YouTube video, which is here. The proof, the £6. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. And the extra lucky pound from Aaron, donated to the cause.
I think that's the most offer. It's like 85, usually like 26.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, and we have completed our challenge. This is the last card we're going to be adding. It's the Dark Flareon, and it was £7, which is £1 over, but our trusty donation
What can I say?
came in clutch. So technically, I'm still in budget. That's all I'm saying. Technically, I'm still in budget. I spent £30. Okay, we are adding the Dark Flareon into the binder. Let's see. Okay, I have Eevee in here. I have Eevee, but I don't have the others. So I have this one for Eevee, which I think is super cute. Super cute! And then I'll add the Flareon in as well. And Scotland Card Show complete. Yeah, end of Gen 1 challenge. £30.
Time to go get food.
Budget spent. Oh, and my booking for food is at 3 p.m. Yeah.
I can't wait.
For the birthday girl. Again, it's my birthday. Like and subscribe. You have to because it's my birthday. Hi, I am back home now. I thought I'd show you guys what I got for my birthday and maybe a little recap of what we got at Scotland Card Show as well. So I did check online at the Lego store last night and I saw that this had finally released, so I went straight to get it. It's the Shrek Brickheads collection. I love Shrek, and this is just, Brickheads are just too cute. So every time a character comes out in Brickheads that I love, I have to get it. Then I actually got the mini Disney castle, which I've been eyeing up. This is just so cool. Like, it's a mini Disney castle. Like, this is amazing. I can't wait to build this. I think I'll probably get quite emotional. I'll miss Disneyland building it. I did go and see Emily Bauer and I got the autograph. I thought it would be really cute to put on my wall, which is why I got it. I saw it and I was like, yeah, that's going on my wall. So just to recap, today we took this Vault X binder, which is my Gen 1 binder, and I took a budget of £30 spending money to the card show to see what we could get. And I think we bought, I've forgotten the amount, I'm going to say 6 cards for £30. There's still quite a few spaces to fill, but I think I do have some cards to fill just from, like, you know, boxes of bulk and things like that and other binders. So the first card we got for £4 was this Spearow, and then we got this Ekans for £3. I think this one's so cool. I'm really happy about this one. The artwork's just really cool. Then I got This Clefairy, and I also got the Clefable from the matching set. This one was quite discounted. I saw it at £20 at another shop, but obviously it didn't have the crease. But I feel like £6 is well discounted for the crease, especially if it's just to fill the artwork in and to like own the card. I don't want to grade it. I'm happy with any condition as long as the price matches. So this one was £10 and this one was £6. So £16 altogether, which I think is really good. Probably my favourite card we got all day, the Sabrina's Venonat. This is so cool. Look at the artwork on that. Like, I just love this card. Plus £1, like, such great value for such an amazing piece of art. Then the final card I got was this Dark Flareon, which was £7. So £1 over budget, but we did get £1 donated from our lovely donator, Aaron. So this was the final card we chose to get, which is so cool as well. And I feel like for £6-7 for like an evolution, like nowadays in modern sets, you don't really get that. So it's really cool to get a vintage one for that cheap. So yeah, 6 cards for £30, which I think is really good, and it proves that you still can kind of collect on a budget, even with this crazy kind of price hikes going on. You just need to find the right cards and maybe like budget in some areas. Thank you so much for watching. It is my birthday, so if you would like to give me a birthday present, please like and subscribe and share the video. I would love that. And I hope you have a lovely day or evening at whatever time you're watching this. Goodbye.